we are making a seafood boil. Obviously I need a giant pot. You need this because, I mean, look at these babies. So I've got lobsters. How beautiful are these? And I have my Alaskan Crab. These are my main star ingredients. And then of course I've got beer, I've got butter, I'm building flavor with garlic, I've got some onion powder, more garlic powder, spring onion, I've got some cayenne pepper for a bit of heat, lemon, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. So you want to use a pot big enough to contain everything. It's on medium to high heat. I have a bit of water. I'm making sure that I'm just covering the surface, so enough to cover the surface. I'm now going to add my butter and then the beer. Okay, so I've got parsley. There you go. Ooh, I can already smell, the butter and the beer smells so beautiful. I love what's happening in here. Okay, so I'm starting with my crab because it cooks longer than the lobster. So garlic, you want to bruise that baby before it goes in. There, ooh, I love that sound. See, nice and bruised. I do this because I want to take it out at the end. Adding onion powder, lots and lots of it. Garlic powder, so I'm using garlic and I have garlic powder as well. I'm gonna add that last glass of beer and I'm going back to high because I want to cook out the beer. And oh, before that I want to add the spring onion. Oh, I'm not slicing it, I'm not cutting it, I'm simply going to bruise it. And because this helps release those maximum, ooh, the flavors. Too bad you won't be able to try this, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. For my flavor, I've got a spice mix. So what I have in here is chili, dried chili, cayenne. I have smoked paprika. I have cumin. I have smoked garlic as well. Trust me, this is life. So I'm gonna be super generous with it. I'm just going to give it a gentle mix. Now I'm happy to let the stove do all the work. I'm gonna let all of this simmer. I'm gonna go have a look and see how the potatoes are coming along because I'm also boiling potatoes. I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, but in Amazambani, I think it's cooked. So the potatoes are just seasoned with salt. Guys, the induction stove is the best. I mean, literally cook these potatoes in under 10 minutes. Insane. I love to cook, but I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen like most people. So the tools you use can help you, and the induction stove in this case. Oh, almost forgot. We need this. We need a lemon, and this goes in there. You guys, oh my gosh, I'm done. Like, can we eat? We are making progress. Now I am ready to go in with my lobster. It doesn't take long to cook. 3 whole lobsters, and then the rest, I'm keeping the tail. I want to treat this differently. I'll show you. We're gonna let it cook with the steam. So I'm gonna cover it and the steam will just cook it nice and slow for us. I mean, we should be done in about 10 minutes. So this cooks in probably 35 minutes. And of course with your prep, about an hour. But the final result, everyone will think you're Martha Stewart. I'm not taking them completely out. I just want to expose them. What I want to do is grill them in the oven. So I'm going to add salt. I'll add a bit of cayenne pepper for heat and oil, obviously, and then take it to the oven and just let it grill for about 10 minutes. While that cooks, then I'm going to make a crab butter. So I'm going to take parsley, mix it with melted butter, and when these are done from the oven, I'm going to finish them with that. I think this is a meal I should make for my in-laws, ne? Well, I'm just saying, this is a meal you make when you really want to impress, guys. So guys, you know what to do. The recipe is down below. I'm hungry, my team is hungry. We are gonna go eat. It's time to dig in. See you on the next episode.